What's up? Gonna continue from where we left off. I just realized that since I'm sitting, gonna need that, and we can get going. Okay, so we do have this working, so that's cool. I was exploring HTTP2. It does look like that's something we can do. So if we decide to do server sent events, so the really nice thing about server sent events is that you don't need an additional server. That is just phenomenal. To not need to like find a different port and subscribe over WebSocket and all of that stuff. So that's why if we do live reload, I'm gonna do server sent events for sure. So with that, I think I am going to keep this. I'm going to say this file is just loaded on the page. There's nothing special. And so you can, like, you're staring this in the face, you know exactly what's getting rendered. And what's neat about that is if I ever did decide to switch over to Svelte or something, then I totally could really easily with the same type of thing. I'm not switching to Svelte. Okay. Let's see, I feel like there was something else that I didn't like. Yeah, I don't remember. I think we're pretty solid. Could probably do something better about the errors here. You know what, we're probably better do the live reload thing. We're definitely going to want to have that. So, let's see. And say new event source. This would be yeah, app name SSE. That's it. Yep. Okay. So with that said, then import remix utils event stream. Yeah. Remix loader. Return event stream. Okay, and we need to watch the directory, so we're going to bring in Chokidar. I thought I mistyped. Okay, so then we import Chokidar from Chokidar. I think we might need types too, but it looks like it's okay. Dot watch. Okay, here, and actually, I grab all this stuff. Could probably do with some abstraction there, but we'll get there eventually, maybe. Okay, so I'll watch. Oh, you know what? I just wondered. I need to see if it will set the files properly. I believe it will. What am I looking for? Looking for the HTML that's generated. Here we go. I can't recall. What do you call this with? Oh. And then data reload. Oh, right, we need a cleanup function. Watch. Okay, cool. Let's try that now. Okay, so that's not working. Let's just open this in an isolated page. 404 not found. Okay. I think we might need to do remix routes. I'm missing something important here. Interesting. That is not what I expected. Hmm. Interesting. The escape thing doesn't seem to be working. Hmm. What if I just do another one in there? Nope. Somehow it thinks that it's conflicting with this one. And I think it's just because the escape isn't working. So nobody can do SSE. Here we'll do KCD SSE. Take that. That'll work. Nobody's going to do KCD SSE. Okay, cool. So that's interesting. It is still looking for Dunder SSE. What the? There's no Dunder SSE here. Where are you getting that? Huh. Well, that's the silliest thing I've ever heard of. Maybe something cached it? I don't know. I'm very confused by this. Yo! Okay, so that at least is doing what I would expect. So what the heck happened here? So that's interesting. Maybe it's Chokodar is the problem. Okay. Chokadar was just getting, I know exactly what was going on. This is an unfortunate part of the way the compiler works. It tries to resolve all dependencies before it's like, oh, actually, I don't even need that dependency. So module resolution happens, and then dead code elimination happens, but we didn't get past the module resolution. That was the problem. So, good. Now, if I come over here and I say, yo, I gotta reload. Sup? Happens pretty dang fast if you ask me. Dude, it resets state because it's a live reload instead of hot module replacement. That's okay for what we're doing. Yeah, live reload is fine. Now when we get to CSS, that's probably fine too. Because we're only ever doing simple stuff as single file things anyway. So, yeah, cool. Okay, so let's go over here. And we're going to stick this in the solution. There we go. So problem doesn't work, solution. Interesting. Oh, right. Oops. There we go. Okay, great. So now that works. Hooray. And we got our diff. Beautiful. I can open that up. There it is. Awesome. So now the last thing is then to go admin, set files, setting files, and done. Cool. So then I can come back here and we got our files. Boom. Yeah, that's so sweet. Okay, well, good stuff. Let's just make sure everything type checks okay. I can't imagine why it wouldn't. Coolio. Did you see how awesome and easy it was to add server sent events for live reload? Just a tiny little script in here. And yeah, and that's it. The one thing that I might think about doing is adding that here. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah. You know what? Actually, what would be cool is to have Yeah, okay, so what if this was type module source KCDSSE, and then in here we can say if request.headers.get well, here, let's just see what happens. We gotta run the server. This is not advisable normally, like with in production, CDNs will like ignore that accept header or change it or something. But, you know, is accepting everything. All right, let's just do this then. This will be better. Whoops. Okay, so then we can return new response. There we go. So now I can just tell them, if you want live reload, just add this little script and you'll get it. There we go. Cool. So then I can come over here and wait, we're on. Boom, get a reload auto-magically without running an extra server. Wonder if I could do this. Ooh, I wonder if this will work. That would be fun. So then SSE sends event reload. Rats, that didn't work. Illegal invocation. Yeah, I kind of assumed as much. We could do that. Cool. So then it's a teeny tiny bit of JavaScript. Almost makes me think maybe we should just tell them copy paste this. You know what? I think this is would work longer. Like we could change this source much easier if it was here. So we'll do that. Great. Because like part of me is thinking maybe we could make this work with CSS or something. Okay, good. Well, so there we go. Yeah, I'm looking forward to middleware. That'll get rid of all this in every one of those. Although, I wonder if middleware runs in the for resource routes. That's an interesting thought. Okay. I would assume they would. Support single file exercises with live reload. So that is awesome. So now, you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to check that off in centered. And I'm going to add another task. Test out workshop app with advanced React patterns workshop. That's what we're going to do. This is going to take 3 hours maybe. We'll see. But the music stopped playing and that's so annoying. Why did it stop playing? Music enabled. Now it's disabled. Music enabled. There we go. Now it's playing. Good. It just gets kind of quiet and sad. It's also kind of warm. 1 second. So Ryan just messaged me saying that he's up snowboarding again today without me, and the part of the mountain that was closed yesterday is now open, and he said it's amazing. So I am just a little jealous. Because it does look like an amazing day. Okay, I'm standing up now, so let's give myself a little headroom. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Actually, you know what? I'm going to add one other thing. Auto release KCD shop. We're going to set up automatic releases for KCD shop. because I want to be able to test it out and play with it and all that in a actual environment, not just this example thing. So yeah, the only way that I know how to automate releases is semantic release. I know there are other ways to do this, but I'm not ready to learn them, and I don't care that much. So yeah, I actually already set this thing up, but I need to learn how to do it in a monorepo or a workspaces. So semantic release workspaces, npm workspaces. Okay. Okay, we'll look at that. In my case, I only have one package to publish, and so I might be okay to just I wonder what would happen if I tried to do this. Go down into packages, go to the package JSON, let's cd packages, workshop app, and then I say npm or build. Okay, npm pack. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, now move or open, can't see that, That's interesting. Yeah, actually it wouldn't be start anyway. It would be, or it wouldn't be dev, it would be start. Yeah, I think we, I mean, it is going to be a little different because we actually are going to run the bin, so. Wonder why that exits silently. Yeah, okay. That's interesting. I would actually expect this to fail abysmally. Yeah, we're going to want to change this up a little bit. Huh. Interesting. That's funny. What the? Okay, it just failed silently. I wonder. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so what this means is I need to, first of all, I'm going to get rid of this. We've learned what we need to learn from that. I was looking at, yeah, app, utils, process manager. Just want to make sure, node env, yeah, we override it to be development. Yep, so that's fine. But then I also need to have a different way to determine whether we're in production mode or not. Hold on, actually maybe not. Maybe the bin, yeah, it is published. And then we can say node env production. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you know what? I do need that pack. Wake up. You got something in here now. Where is it? It's in here somewhere. Oh, I'm in trash. Whoops. There we go. Okay, so now we got package. Get rid of this. Well, it's break time. Just want to make sure. So we go up a directory and look for the app directory. And if it's not there, then we believe we're published. Yeah, that makes sense. We have our index, we have our components, we have our server build, we have our public. Beautiful. Yeah, that's going to work. So what we're going to do when we get back from the break is I'm going to try to run npm publish just from here, because if that works, then I'm pretty sure we could just update this with some config that says, actually, this is where I want you to run that. And I'm pretty sure it'll just work. So see you after the break. Okay. So let's try this. npm, here, just do one last build just in case. Oh, right, one last thing. We need publish config access public, because it's a got the namespace thing there. Sweet, there it is. Okay, so let's do 0 semantically released. And then we go to our workflow thing. What are you complaining about? Whatever. Let's see if there's a way to do a working directory. Working directory, here we go. Okay, cool. And then I just need to get an npm token, so give me a moment while I do that. This is just going to take a sec. Okay. Let me go to the repo now. Settings, where are you? Settings. And secrets, actions, new repository secret. npm token, add secret. Delete that from my clipboard history. Go to actions. And now I think I can show you this again. Pretty sure this is going to work. Oh, that's what it is. There we go. Cool. Automate releases. Oh, here, actually. Yeah. I gotta look at one last thing. I think I need to have a tag for the release I just made. So it's v0.0.1. Fix. Automate releases. Okay, now I've got to actually use good commit messages in here, which is, it's fine. Okay. See what happens. I think it'll release a new one, but I'm not positive. these typically run in 3 minutes, so playwright is 2:15. Let's look at that upload artifact action. I'm sure they've got new tag v3. See if they've got releases. Yep. Good stuff. Chore, update, action, upload artifact. I forgot I'm supposed to be using this thing now. Okay. How we doing? Hey, playwright was quite a bit faster than it was before. That's interesting. Okay. I feel like 60% sure this is going to work. So like barely sure. Okay, hey, we released a 1.0. Great. There it is. Sweet. Okay, that makes my life a lot easier. I wonder if, yeah, we've got a v3, so let's look at the releases on this. 3.2. Yeah, sweet. Okay, so we can update this. 3.2.0. Looks like they don't keep a running v3 tag, which is too bad, but oh well. Update. Oh, whoops, this is a chore. I keep forgetting I'm supposed to use the integrated Git stuff. Oh well. Old habits die hard. Cool stuff. Okay. I thought I'd pushed another commit. But maybe I did not. Yeah, maybe I didn't push that. That's probably what happened there. So now we shouldn't see any warnings. And this one will have one, I think. Oh, we've got a bunch. Yeah, that's right. I wonder if... Yeah, we'll see if we get these warnings on this run. Not seeing any, so that's good news. Kind of wondering if maybe I think this might be out of date, which would explain why we get lots of those. Nope, that's on the latest. That's 11, right? Yeah, so I think maybe we're good. So what this means is I can actually start working on making a workshop out of this. We'll use an existing workshop and see where that leads. And I'm hoping that if I can get the workshop app designed, the design implemented, then I can deliver it at the conference in 2 weeks, a week and a half. Oh, whoa. This is weird. Oh, that just says time worked. Oh, I didn't know you could toggle. Oh, man. I was like, oh, it wants me to work for 50 minutes? No, thanks. But apparently, I accidentally clicked that button, I guess. Okay, great. That's all fine. Okay. So, the question is now, do I create a brand new repo? Or do I use the existing repo and just make a different branch? Well, we didn't get any warnings this time, so that's awesome. Yay! Nice. Okay, so I'm giving this workshop on February 22nd. There's still tickets available if you want to get a ticket and go snowboarding with me in the Alps. I think that'll be sick. So my plan was to use the workshop material I've got. So advanced React patterns, and just run this. That was the plan. Now I'm thinking, I mean, of course I was planning on using the next branch, but now I'm kind of thinking we'll continue with this, because it makes the most sense. It's on KCDShop, advanced React patterns, yada yada. But maybe we can come up with the name. Maybe it actually does take over the next branch. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. Advanced React patterns. We're going to make a new branch based off of the next branch. And we're going to switch things up completely. Oh yeah, this needs to go to the bottom. Get rid of that. Okay, so get, checkout. Ooh, I wonder, can I do stuff over here? Ooh. Branch. No. Views. View and sort. Checkout. Checkout 2. Next. There we go. Cool. Who needs to do random get stuff themselves these days? We can just use amazing tools. Okay. So I've got scripts and update depths. So here, yeah, let's just, actually, let's make a new branch. Create new branch. Next 2. That's what we'll call it for now. Okay, and update depths, all the things. Oh, that's annoying. My editor just thinks it knows better than me. Whatever. We're not gonna do this remove TS thing. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't care. we're going to totally change that anyway. So then, who cares about Docker stuff? Good grief. I don't know. Maybe it's fine. It's not hurting anyone. It just bothers me to see it. Okay. Yeah, so we're doing stuff different now. So I'm going to need to reference the example. So we need to have homepage goes away. Main is unnecessary. Yeah, that's fine. Workshop app. It's no longer the React Workshop app. It's simply Workshop app. So that's cool. Keep those for now, I guess. Get rid of cogen. And warning. Who's using warning? Huh. I don't remember adding that. Get rid of Husky. Get rid of patch package. Here, let's look at our patches. Yeah, it's just for React scripts, so we can get rid of that. Get rid of that. And TypeScript can be on the latest version. Whoop. Okay, and then start. This will be KCDShop start. Build. Yeah, we're not going to do a build. Maybe echo to do. Echo to do. Take care of that stuff later. Get rid of Husky. Get rid of Babel and browser list. Directories, what the heck is that? MSW. We don't have a server in here, do we? Yeah, okay, good. Don't need a mock service worker either then. Okay, and now we reorganize, so exercises. And here we've got examples too. I think that'll, I didn't think about examples. I think these need to be index. Okay, so we've got our exercises. Latest ref. So we've got 01 And how many extra credits has he got? Oh, none. Okay, so problem latest ref. Oh, that's a dot after problem. Okay. O1 solution latest ref. Wait a second. No. This is O1 dot latest ref, and then this is problem index. There we go. And we make a readme, and that's where we put the exercise stuff. Get rid of the feedback. That's generated now. Tim out. Oh, whoops. There we go. And then solution has final O1. And this is index TSX. I'm not sure what to put there. We'll figure that out later. Okay, cool. So with that set up, that is enough for, well, let's do one more just so I don't get this annoying thing. O2 and source O2 is composition and layout components. And that has no extra credits either. Whoops. Ah, man. Okay, so then O2 exercise goes in here, and O2 final goes in here. And this is index. Oh yeah, and we got to do one other thing, and that is make it so that instead of export default app, we actually render things out and stuff. So figure that out later. Okie dokie. Let's go. Okay, so one thing that I did when I made this initially was I have two different configs. Whether you're just to make it so that you can have strict false for the exercise so that it's not a big deal for people who are working through it. I think that's would have been great if I did this last year, but I didn't do it last year. I'm doing it this year, and I think people can take it. So we're going to put this in here. We're not going to have remix in this one. And hold on. The exercises directory. Yeah, it doesn't have anything in it. Kind of think could be useful to just stick stuff in there. I wonder what would happen if I put stuff in there. So if we go here, say get problem apps. Yeah. So we can just stick stuff in there, that's fine. So I could just do shared. And then this can say that goes into exercises. Let's fix that prettier config while we're at it. Where is, oh, there it is. Oh, let's make sure we ignore package.json. Okay, and this could go shared. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Because we want some CSS on here. I'm not sure what ESBuild is going to do about that. It may be better to have an HTML document in here, an index HTML. Yeah, that'll work. So we just do, hold on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I accounted for this. So if we just move this in here, say index.css, that will get applied automatically. We don't have to worry about that. I'm pretty sure that'll work. Do the same thing in here. Pretty sure that'll just work. There we go. Okay. So let's see. All right. Actually, you know what? Let's just run update, get all the latest and greatest of all the things. Okay. Oh, I'm using React hooks, testing library React hooks. Pretty sure we can pretty much swap that.
NPM is done.
Okay. Yeah, the test utils, that'll have to be taken care of as well. But there we go. I mean, it started up, so then we kabluied. Oh yeah, 02 composition. Oh, did I? Oh yeah, we do a dash. Yeah, that's a mistake. We should probably do a dot like we do with everything else. Huh. It's not that important to me, but it sort of is important, so. Whoops, I should have exercise directory, or what is it? Yeah. Oh, shared. Why did that happen? Well, here's what we'll do. We'll just move it right here. And then this tsconfig, we'll do that. That'll work. There we go. Latest ref. Here's the background, all that stuff. It's all syntax highlighted and everything beautiful. We've got our start, unexpected server error, latest ref. Execa is not a function. Oh, now that's interesting. Definitely wasn't expecting that error. Why am I standing in my shoes without my mat? Kind of feel like it's time to sit, but I think the only reason I thought that was because I wasn't standing on the comfortable mat. Okay, so that's very interesting. I wonder if the version is the same. So I'm in 5.11. Okay. So if we look at main, now that's interesting. Exports. What? Files. Oh, okay, it's got an index. Yep, that makes sense. Oh, is this not ESM? No way. I thought it was ESM. I totally thought it was ESM. Huh. Ah, it says type module. What version is this? Ah, 6.1. Oh, huh. Well, that's interesting. It's a workshop app. Oh, yeah, I'll bet if we go to can't see dots, we've got workshop app, node modules is in there. Oh, haha. Workshop app. There's no node modules. So why exec? Is that a dev dep? Whoops. That explains that. Okay. So we gotta go exec. Move that. Forget that. No, I need a hotkey. What is the hotkey for this? That is not a good hotkey. Fix exec should be a regular dep. Okay, and then the other thing I'm going to fix while I'm here is these should all use dots. Okay, so that means our utils, where am I? I'm looking for, yeah, miscellaneous regex. Yep, that is that. And we're going to do this. And then I'm also going to make it so that we can have that shared where we wanted it to be. In fact, there we go. Yeah, so if it doesn't match, cool. I'm actually tempted to do the same. Where's that extract? Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Filter type to Boolean. Okay, and then this null. If not exercise, never return null. Filter type to Boolean, and flatten. Okay, cool. So I think that this means I can also put a shared directory inside of the exercise directories, which would be better too. Okay, so fix exercise directories use a dot after the number. There we go. I'm going to talk less clear, but whatever. Okay, it is break time. That works out because I need to wait for this. So, great. Yeah, see you in 5 minutes. All right, sorry for that extended break. Actually, I'm not sorry about it at all, because having breaks is important. So this did release, hooray! So we can come over here. And get that update. Yeah, I got a bunch of... Do I have reach in here? Oh, why do I have reach in here? Where am I? Hold on. I'm in the wrong spot. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, we need to do legacy peer depths true. Okay, I think that'll work better, maybe. I don't know. I mean, I know what that does, but I think maybe sometimes the output doesn't actually show. I actually do like having shared right there, because then we can use it in examples too, so we'll just leave it there. Okay, start. Open up localhost 3000. Here, we can close this. I don't need that anymore. Oh, by the way, did you notice Cody the koala learned a new trick? Cody now skis. Also, the colors look much better than they did before, because before it was just like photoshopped because the illustrator got busy and couldn't work on it. Now it is, yeah, it looks awesome. It's so cool. And you notice that we've got skis here when he's snowboarding, and we've got snowboard here when he's skiing. And this leaf used to be up there. I just moved it down here. It's awesome. I love it. Okay. And shirts. kcd.im/shirts, you can get these on a shirt. And the yellow one looks way cooler. I don't know why they show the white by default, but if you can, if these sizes fit you, then you can get this amazing yellow one, and it's awesome. Super soft and comfortable. Yeah, it's good stuff. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I couldn't find that step. That's unexpected. So we go to apps, and we only see examples in here. So, oh right, because I changed this. Now we go to apps, and boom, look at that. Problem. Bum-ba-da-dum. Yes. Okay, this isn't showing anything because we need to render still. But yeah, that totally works. Now I'm kind of confused why this is showing that as the title when we clearly do. Oh, it's because, there we go. Now watch this. Dun dun dun. Sweet. Ah, this is so cool. Okay, so now we need to have, instead of that export default nonsense, we're going to have this nonsense. Two different types of nonsense-y. Nonsense-I. Yep, we're going to run with that. Okay, and then I should have added another new line. Oh well. Boom. There we go. Give a new line after all these. Beautiful. Okay, now let's see. Does it work? Oh my gosh, and the server sent event worked. Ha ha ha. Yes, that's so cool. Solution doesn't seem to work. Oh, no, it does. It's debounced because it's latest ref. And boom. Cool. So you click and then change the step, and it steps only by 1. The solution is you click, you change the step, and it'll change by 2. And it just kind of depends on what you're going for. Which one of these things do you want to have happen? It's not always best to do it this way. Okay. And we'll work out the test later. But the fact is, this thing stinking works. And then you've got your feedback form. Oh my word. Yes. So good. Start. And 0201 problem. Now that's... 0201 problem. That should be there. Okay, so we have 0101, 0101 solution, 0201 problem. There, that's the one we should find. And then 0202 solution is there, and oh, that shouldn't impact the problem though. Whoops. Interesting. Okay, sweet. Have our Pokemon stuff. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so yeah, how do we do the public directory for these? And also need to think about how we're going to do, I don't think we're going to do production deploys. It's quite handy for me when I'm like reviewing stuff and telling people like, here's how this works and whatever, but yeah. I may need to stop the stream abruptly, but yeah, this is showing promise. Oh, that is so sick. The diff is amazing. Oh my word. Okay, I clicked this. It should be, okay, it's not showing me the right stuff here. Okay, I got it again. I'll see you. I will probably live stream some more later, but this is good. See y'all later.